The fall weather is approaching and you would like something sweet and delicious while you enjoy a good book. Well, we got you covered here at The Side Guy Cooks with pumpkin white chocolate macadamia cookies. So let's get started. Let's prepare the wet ingredients. Now let's add the dry ingredients. Set the timer for 15 minutes. Keep in mind that ovens do vary. Historians believe that pumpkins originated in Mexico between 7000 and 5500 BC. Those look great right out of the oven. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's try one. Wow, these cookies have a soft, tender interior, and the combination of sugar and butter pairs well with the macadamia nuts and white chocolate. What a great cookie. Join the community. Leave a comment or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Looks like a great time to enjoy a delicious cookie on a beautiful fall day. Stay with us. Watch the next video.